And one awesome thing that I do love about these frames and the ones that I chose is that my lashes do not touch the lens, and I love that. So for all my girls who wear lashes, yes, you can get away with wearing these without your lashes touching the frame.
Everything you need, waves, girls, and kings. Simply divine is where you need to be. Everything you need, waves, girls, and kings. Simply divine is where you need to be.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shantina, and today I am going to be doing a glasses try-on haul for you guys. This company by the name of Voogueme reached out to me and wanted to do a collab with me. And since I wear glasses, okay, being a content creator and also working my 9 to 5, I am constantly on the computer. I wear prescription glasses, and because I'm always on the computer, I got those rays just coming into my eyes. I love this company because it offers prescription lens glasses and blue light protection glasses. You can get either or you can get them both in one. I love that about this company. So yes, for those people who are constantly, okay, on your phone or on your computer or anything like that, or if you wear prescription glasses, this company is for you. They have affordable, and when I say affordable, they have very affordable glasses. So let's just go ahead and get started with this try-on haul. All right, so first of all the glasses were sent to me in this box here, and they were in each individual glasses came in a secure plastic bag, and it also came with this glasses holder. Okay, it's so cute. It says Voogueme, born to be unique on the glasses holder. Love their slogan. All right, so let's just go ahead and get into it. I have 5 frames here that I'm going to be trying on for you guys. I love each and every one of them. I do have a favorite, and I will let you know what the favorite is. Actually, I have 2 favorites out of this, but I will wear them all. I love them all. All right, so let's start out with the first one. The first one here is a clear frame. Love this, okay? Very classy, very classic. You can definitely wear these frames with anything. And one awesome thing that I do love about these frames and the ones that I chose is that my lashes do not touch the lens, and I love that. So for all my girls who wear lashes, yes, you can get away with wearing these without your lashes touching the frame. All right, let's go on to the next one. I love these. All right, so the next frame that I got is these here. Now, how gorgeous are these? This cat eye, love, love, love. Yes, love these glasses. The cat eye just does something, right? It does give it a little, it gives a little boop. Love these. It's pretty thick, the frame. The glasses are really, really well made. The arm of the glass is very thick. It's sturdy. You know how sometimes you can move it? No, you can't move these. These are beautiful. And the name of these beauties is Miriam. One great thing also that I do love about their glasses is that they are not expensive, so you can get a multiple of them and wear them with different outfits and everything like that. I love that. Love, love, love. All right, so this is the third pair. These classic black with a gold detail in the front and on the side there. Let's try these on. Yes, you talking about boss, like these are some boss babe glasses right here. Boss babe all the way. And these are called Rhea. They have the thicker frame around the bottom and it's thinner at the top. Love that for some good style. And again, my lashes is not touching the lens. Again, love that. It has a pretty thick arm on the side here. And this has a little bit of touch of a cat eye also, but not as pointy. But I'm getting into it. I can really get into these glasses. These are cute. Now check these out. These are green and brown with a clear, it's like greens, like clear green throughout. You can kind of see through it a little bit. And then at the bottom part of the frame, there is like a brown and tan detail there. Love that. These are like your teacher glasses with a little bit of a pizzazz to them because of the bottom part here. Love these. These fit my face so well, and I can wear these with some jeans. I can wear them with some slacks, a dress. It does not matter. These glasses are so nice. All right, so the last and final pair of glasses that I got, and these are like some classy grown woman glasses, okay? Classy grown woman glasses who still got their youth. So that's these right here. It has the gold detailing on the side with the pink arm here. It has pink at the top. And this part here is like a brown and clear leopard. Let's try these on. Love, love, love. Can't go wrong, okay? And the prices of each one of these glasses, you can't compare. So yes, these glasses are very, or you know what, let me put one of my favorites on. Put these on. So like I said, these glasses are very affordable. You can get these glasses in blue light protection, okay, and prescription, like I said earlier, and you will have everything that you need in one pair of glasses or multiples. So they did tell me that I can offer you guys a coupon code, and I will have that coupon code right here. Please check the description box, click the link, and you can get these glasses or any one of these glasses that I mentioned, or any glasses that is on their website. They have so many glasses that you can choose from. They have sunglasses, they have cat eye glasses, they have round glasses. They have so many glasses, and all of their glasses again can be prescription and or blue light protection. You can't go wrong with this company. They offer everything that you need in a pair of glasses for a fraction of the price. So go ahead, if you are interested, please go ahead, check the link in my description box. Again, there is a coupon code that I will leave here, and it is 15% off of your purchase. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and I will try my hardest to answer all the questions that you may have. Until next time, remember to stay focused and keep moving forward in a positive direction, forsaking all negativity that tries to invade your space. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye!